Hi RN Talks. My name is Tanmay Dubey and I'm the author of 4 best-selling books. The titles of my books are Just 6 Evenings, The Amigos, The Red Line, and fourth, the latest one, a self-help book, is DNA of a Champion Salesperson. सबसे पहले तो मैं RN Talks का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अर्ज करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया आप लोगों के सामने आने के लिए और बात करने के लिए. RN Talks are doing an amazing job in terms of bringing out the creativity and sharing and creating that platform where creative people can come together and share each other's work. And I congratulate RN Talks for the amazing job that they are doing in building up this community of all creative people together. And only time will tell how successful RN Talks would be in coming future. Okay. To tell about myself, what do I do? Well, as I said, I am an author. I've written 4 books, and nowadays I am coaching people to write their book. Yes, I'm a book writing coach, and I coach corporate leaders, trainers, coaches, and aspiring coaches to write, publish, and become a best-selling author in 90 days. And I also coach them that how can they start leveraging their book and start earning 1 lakh a month from their book. So this is what I'm doing. I have initiated a startup. I have started a startup called Catalyst, and all my writing endeavors are under the banner of Catalyst. Catalyst book writing coaching classes is what I take. Now, storytelling. Why is storytelling so important? And I would like to start from that every human being, irrespective of whether he or she knows a language or not, is a storyteller. A young boy or a young girl is a storyteller in front of his or her mom. And why storytelling is so important? Storytelling is so important that if you face an interview in your corporate life or in your personal life, the better you tell a story, the better you are able to articulate a story, the more successful you will be. Yes, it's true, and I've felt that. I've experienced that. So when you start thinking about that, I am a storyteller, there's a biggest myth that people get into is that and that's what I teach people when I do my book writing coaching programs also, is that there are 3 myths that stop people from writing a book or telling your story. First is, people think, well, I don't have a unique story. My dear friend, every story is unique, and it's the perspective from which you tell a story makes it unique. So people get stuck there. Second thing I want to highlight is, people say, I'm not famous. Why would somebody listen to my story? You tell a beautiful story and you become famous. It's the other way around. You don't become famous and then tell a beautiful story. You tell a beautiful story. You write a beautiful book and then you become famous. And the third thing about storytelling is, it's an acquired art. While there's something natural thing about it also, it's an acquired art. You need to really put some energy, effort, time, take guidance from people to be able to really effectively craft some beautiful stories which can and beautiful stories has the power to transform people. It has the power to share the energy that you have, the thoughts that you have, the learnings that you have, those life-changing experiences which you have. If you are able to really mix them into some beautiful stories, you can share it to the world and you can transform people's life. You can start your own coaching business. You can start, establishing your authority. An author stands for authority. So you can, and once you're able to create this kind of value, you can put that entire value into a book and start offering it to people, and it will give you biggest return. Money can be money. Yes, you get money, but money can be subsided. You can transform people's life. Yes, you can transform people's life. But what is the biggest thing that you achieve? If you write a beautiful story and convert it into a book, you become immortal. Yes, a book has the power to make you immortal. Your ideas, your thoughts, your passion will continue to live forever till the time this world is. Imagine your granddaughter running across the field and telling his or her friends that, hey, this book was written by my granddad some 50 years ago. We still read a lot of those classics, right? So, my dear friends, everybody is a storyteller. You need to look inside you and find that beautiful thought and just feel free to go out there in the world and share your stories. So that's it for me in this a wonderful opportunity that was given to me, and I look forward. I would be very soon coming live on the RN Talks platform, and I would love to interact with you. And that session is called Ask Me Anything, ASA. You can ask me anything about book writing, my writing journey. That reminds me, all these medals at the back. Yes, I'm an Ironman triathlete. I have completed more than 25 marathons. I'm living a fit life for the last 7-8 years. I was never like this. I was never a born sportsman. I only started these all physical activities after in my late 30s, or rather mid 30s. So you can ask me anything about fitness, about book writing, about how to make yourself a brand and how to get published. I'm going to be there live on 1st of August, first Sunday of August, and I would love to interact with you and answer to as many questions as possible. See you then. Bye bye. Good night.